I want to start the video with this stuff that I read here in the book that I am reading. This is the book. So this talk about we have to. This say that we have to take decision when we are vibrating high, when we are in a high vibration. Because when you are in a high vibration, you are operating in base of love and not in base of I don't know the word in English, but you don't have to take important decision when you are scared. You have to take important decision when you are feeling love, because when you are feeling love, you are not shy. You don't care about the stuff that is going to happen. And we also have to remember that this world is like a mirror. So everything that you give is going to be returned to you. So if you do you give by bad energy, like you don't give fee to the people, that is going to be returned to you. So you always have to be like aligned with your action, your thoughts, and the stuff that you say, because when you do that, those stuff that you give are going to be returned to you. And I can notice that now. It's crazy that you don't understand until you live this, because the chain is the chain is completely different to the life that I was living before I started this. So I recommend you to start doing that. Like, have good thoughts, do stuff that you don't regret, put the action, don't talk shit about other people, because all those stuff you do incorrectly are going to come back to you. So that is, and I want to show more stuff that I'm doing in the day, and I already did, because I came from the gym and I already finished my gym session. I tried to do leg day, but I was feeling too much pain on my knee that I didn't. So I did push day, chest, tricep, and shoulders. And then I worked for 30 minutes, came here to the house and take my protein shake. Yeah, just that. Today I woke up so late. I woke up 7:30, I think. Like, I heard the alarm, but I was so tired that I continued sleeping. Yeah, but I don't feel bad, because I was so tired and I didn't feel when I continued sleeping. Like, I was dreaming, and yeah, I didn't feel it. But now I'm going to the gym. It's going to be 8 a.m. and the day looks good. But I have today's leg day and I have so much pain in my knee. Yeah, obviously I'm going to try to do it, but I can't work well. And also the pre-workout and the amino acid that I bought, like, I feel that are working really good. Like, I feel good when I drink that before the gym. So if you are planning to buy amino acids or pre-workout, do it, because it works. And I also today, like, I was feeling like I feel more lean every day, I started liking the change that I'm doing. So yeah, I have to continue. Today I start working 4 p.m. So I have time to work on my website and my presentation. I hope that today I can record the video for my other channel to promote my website. And yeah, so now I want to do the session and finish with that, and then I came back to the house. Reading a little with a coffee, because coffee make you feel less hungry. And I already have like a protein shake and almonds, so I just eat protein and fat because that make me feel less sleepy with less food. And I also drink a lot of water. Yeah, I have my first meal like I want to have my first meal like at 2-3 p.m. If I can, I want to try to do it 4 p.m. So that is. I'm going to show you that this technique works. So let's start. I have everything on my mind, all the linking words in each category. Yeah, so I'm going to do it.